it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today is going to be an unboxing of the premium and base box of BoxyCharm for this month. So if you guys are interested in what I got and all the goodies, so then really quick, I just wanted to mention the wig that I'm wearing. For some reason, I cannot, the lace forever, the life of me cannot lay flat. But I had took out a little bit of my hair. And yeah, I don't know. This is from Empress Top Lace. And it's the style Albie. And then the color is F1010. I got, again, I've had this in my wig drawer for like 5 years. I just never got to take it out and actually use it. So I figured, you know what, today I don't want to do my hair. I want to be lazy. I want to have fun. So yeah. And again, I don't even know if they have those on anymore. But I got them at samsbeauty.com and I did get them on sale. So anyway, forget about all that. So we're gonna start with the base box. So I have the base box right here. And this month's theme was a BoxyCharm candy shop. BoxyCharm candy shop, and then on the little card it says save the date with Boxy pop-up, which is November 10th. So the first thing that we got is the Pretty Vulgar Nesting Bitch Face, or Beach Face, excuse me, palette, which is this palette right here. This retails for $32. It says a beautiful selection of rosy blushes, sun-kissed bronzers, and creamy glowing highlighters. Buildable shades deliver great color payoff and blend out like a dream. I do believe that they are blendable and buildable. I feel like I did use these for this look. So if you're interested in, keep an eye out for that video, because that's a whole nother video. I didn't really like this highlighter. It came out too white for me. And then this one didn't, I don't know. I was afraid to build this one up, but I use this blush. This blush is really, really nice. And I use this, and I thought this palette overall was okay. Retails for $32. Then the next was the Tarte Maracuja Miracle Mist Setting Spray. I like this. I wasn't a fan of the way the mist was coming out. I felt like there wasn't a lot coming out. So I had to like continue to snow anymore. It didn't smell bad. It did feel nice on the skin. So I don't know if my pump is just like a little clogged, but overall not bad. And this retails for $23. Ultra fine vegan. Okay, that explains a lot. You know, that explains it. It's ultra fine. And yes, it was ultra fine. Vegan superfood setting mist that effortlessly refreshes skin and sets makeup for 12 hours with a natural radiant finish, so skin looks healthy and hydrated. My skin did feel hydrated after using that. So yes, I will agree. The next item was my choice item, and I chose the Farsali Privé, I don't know, Quench. The moisture serum, this I did not get to use yet. But this serum that helps replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid, I can't even talk today, is great for the skin, good for my skin. I love it. So I'm super happy that I got to choose that. That retailed for $24. Then it was the Symbiosis London Tightening Resplendent Eye Mask. I did not get to use this yet. This supposedly retails for $93. For this little thing, I don't know if I believe that. This is 15 mils. I don't know. But it says it's a revolutionary innovation in the beauty market in the form of an eye mask in cream to tighten, rejuvenate, and brighten delicate eye area. This mask is fortified with hyaluronic acid. Again, something that's very good for you and your skin. Pullulan, I don't know how to pronounce that word, as well as shea butter, and works visibly to reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. If it does help reduce puffiness and dark circles, then I'm all about that. So yeah, okay. Then the next was the Hip Dot Beauty Blending Sponges. These are wet. I did use these. I did have to clean them, but I hope you guys clean them before you use them. I don't know if everyone does, but I just had to throw it out there because when I went to wet it to see what was in it, it was cloudy and nasty. I don't know if it was ink or what was going on, but anyway. Color changing, and this expand twice the size crisp builder. Color changing? I don't think that this changed color because when it was dry, it looked the same to me. So maybe they mean color changing because you're a dirty foundation. I don't know. But it does say an amazing, color changing sponge. Watch it expand twice its size when it is wet. It did get very big, and I did like that. It is a very absorbent sponge. I felt like I needed way more foundation than I normally do, that I typically use. But for the mini one, I loved it because it was very delicate for my eye area. I will say when I was using this to set my makeup, I did like that. For foundation application, I didn't like. And that retails for 18 bucks. So overall base box wasn't too bad. I didn't hate it. I felt like it could have been a little more, I don't know. I don't know. I just feel like the items that I got, really the only thing I'm really iffy about are these. Because I'm looking at the palette, the face palette, I liked it. The setting spray, I liked. I have not gotten to use this yet. Obviously, I like the serum. It's just this, like, I don't know. I don't like these sponges. They're okay, I guess. I don't know. These are just like, meh, meh. But hey, I know now not to, I don't like them. We're going into the premium box. So again, the theme is the same. Oh, and I totally forgot to say the variation that I got for the base. The base, I got variation 74. And then for premium, I got 5. So the first thing is the Illuminati Cosmetics and Issa eyeshadow palette. This retails for $48. And Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabel Bedoya for an ultra versatile palette. Create everything from glam look or daytime shades range from pastels to bright colors. I did use this eyeshadow palette for my eye look. Again, that's a whole separate video, so keep your eyes out for that. I do like the variation. The only thing that I don't like about this palette is the formula. The brown shade here was not too pigmented. These 2 shades I did use, along with this one and somewhat that one. But I mean, this is what my palette looks like afterwards. I'm going to use this as a play palette, like, you know, Halloween looks. Maybe my daughter will use it. I don't see me using this every day. I don't see me ever purchasing from this brand. This retails for $48. Yeah. I wasn't too thrilled with this palette, honestly. I wasn't too thrilled. The next is the Murad Hydrating Toner. I did use this, and I liked it. It has a scent, not very strong, but it felt very hydrating on my skin. That one retails for $35. Alcohol-free toner instantly balances skin natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance benefits of treatments to follow. The next item is the Kosas Color and Light Palette Cream Blush and Highlighter. I'm not even going to open this up. I don't use cream products. I have oily skin. They're just not for me. So this is going to be in my giveaway box. That retails for $34. Then we have the Go-To Skincare Exfoliating Wipies. I did use these, did try them out. They smell, I didn't like the smell. They smell kind of bad. But I did like the texture and the way they exfoliated my skin. And my skin didn't burn, it didn't itch, it wasn't irritating. I do like these. These retail for 35 bucks. And they are single-use exfoliating pads soaked with an all-natural solution to get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin, which I do feel like it didn't hydrate my skin, but it wasn't drying, if that makes any sense. Let's see, it has lactic acid, which is very good. I use lactic acid almost every other day. Ultra hydrating essential oils to create face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin cells, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. The next is also from Kosas, which is the Ultra Hydrating Hyaluronic Lip Balm. I'm also going to put this in a giveaway. I have so many lip balms, chapsticks, and whatnot, so I do not need this. This retails for 18 bucks. The last is the Laura Geller 50 Kisses Locking Liquid Color. This retails for 21. I was going to use this for my look, but it's very pink. It did feel nice when I swatched it. It's like a fuchsia color. I will use it when I don't know. So that's that. Overall thoughts on the premium. I did like the premium box way better than the base box, only because it had the toner, which I needed a toner. That was great. The exfoliating wipes. Overall, I feel like BoxyCharm stepping up their game. I really feel like I'm glad now that I've resubscribed. I'm just hoping that next month will be just as good, if not better. And that's really it. That's my thoughts on these two boxes. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Do you get BoxyCharm? Have you had them? What did you get? If you do get them in your box, and what kind of box you get. If you have not already, please sting my subscribe button. Come join my beehive here with me. I'll be pollinating my videos on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, or wherever, guys, you think of pollinating my videos. And I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Oh, did I do an intro? I think I did one. Yeah, I did. Okay. I don't know.